All right, guys, let's recap what went down in the market today. We had the mother of all rallies today. This volume indicator color band turned green at exactly 7:37 a.m. this morning, nailing a monster, absolutely monster bull run today. All right. Now, here's what I want to talk to you about in today's video. I want to talk to you guys about being prepared as a trader. Okay. Now, what does that mean? Well, being prepared as a professional trader means knowing what type of economic news events are on your calendar. And today, guys and gals, we had something very important, and that was the monthly inflation report. Okay, so for you guys and gals that don't know, the government releases a monthly report called the Consumer Price Index. It's kind of a fancy name, but I just call it the inflation report. And I'm telling you guys, the market is basically being held hostage to that monthly report. If the numbers are great, the market's going to rally. If the numbers are horrible, the market just plunges. And so when I say that you guys and gals out there need to be prepared in your everyday trading, this is what I'm talking about. All right, now listen, we're coming off of 3 heavy days of sell-offs, right? The last 3 consecutive days, the market just plunged every day in a row. So coming into today's trading, I was kind of positioning myself to play the long side, all right? But I'm still no dummy. If I'm going to take any long trades, then I'm only going to take them when this volume indicator color band is green. I will never, ever trade against the color. You understand? And so for those of you guys that don't know, this green and red volume indicator color band is our proprietary take on volume technical analysis. This green and red color band has one job and only one job on a daily basis. And that is to tell you who's in control at any one moment in time. All right, when it's red, the sellers are in control. Okay, that's obvious. And when it turns green, as it did right here at 7:37 sharp, this right here tells you that a potential trend change has been identified. The buyers are now in control, and shame on you if you try to short this market. Okay? As far as I'm concerned, from this point on and to the right, you're a buyer. As long as this thing is green, I'm looking for buying opportunities. But I want to be smart. I don't want to be a dumb retail amateur trader. When I'm looking for my setups, I want to use logic and I want to use common sense. All right? So how I do that when I look for setups is I wait for the momentum to be established, right? I got to see a little bit of upward momentum. And then what I want to see is I want to see the market come back down to me. Give me and get me a much better fill than I normally would have gotten based on the color change, okay? Now look, I have some customers who do take the color change. I feel that this is a little bit too aggressive, but if you know how to trade aggressively, you're going to be just fine, okay? Now my personal style, I'm very conservative as a trader, right? I'm only looking for the best setups like this every single day. So what is this, guys and gals? Well, if you've been watching the channel for any length of time, or if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know what this is. All right? This is what's called a textbook perfect retracement pattern. Guys and gals, this particular setup happens on almost every symbol, almost every day, pretty much across the board. In fact, so here's one, here's another one, here's 2 more. Like it just, guys, these patterns happen everywhere you look, right? If you know what to look for. And so if this is our signal bar, okay, then what I would look to do is I'd look to go long on the open of the next bar. You know the location for the stop loss has got to go 1 tick or 1 pip underneath that signal bar, right? This is the stop loss line. And there she goes. This was a 600 tick potential move just based on a simple retracement pattern. And all we did today was try to play the Consumer Price Index report, aka the inflation report. All right, guys and gals, this is powerful stuff, man. If you are a serious trader, then in my humble opinion, this volume indicator color band tool is a must-have in your trading toolbox. Now let's also take a look at the close today. All right, and this is a great example of sort of contrasting conservative traders with aggressive traders. All right. Now here's an example right here. In fact, let's just highlight these. All right, so you can see here the color band changes to green and then the color band changes to red. I really like this setup, by the way, because it turned red and you got a retracement. This to me is just an ultra powerful setup. All right, so pay attention whenever you see stuff like this. And of course, it also turned green right over here about 25 minutes before the close. And yeah, man, like I said, even aggressive traders can make money if you know what you're doing. I still feel that, you know, when you're aggressive like this and, you know, if you're looking to take the trade just based on the color change instead of waiting, you know, for a bit of a pullback before it takes off, listen, if you're confident and you know what you're doing, then by all means have at it. All right. I can't ever stop somebody from being an aggressive trader. If you love trading the color change and, you know, you've kind of mastered your technique using this vol, then, you know, whenever it turns green and you decide to smash it, yeah, you might catch moves like this. I mean, Jesus Christ, this was 800 ticks straight up. Right? You never know when you're going to catch a move like this. But for me personally, like I said, I will always choose the retracement pattern just because in my own statistical backtesting, and trust me guys, I've got years and years of spreadsheets and complicated algorithms, I have just found that playing the retracement on this color band is the winning ticket on finding consistency when it comes to trading the market as a professional trader. So congrats to all you guys and gals who had a fantastic day trading the inflation report. You guys definitely got to put this on your calendar, man, if you haven't already. What an epic monster rally. This was one for the record books, and I cannot wait to see what this market's going to do for us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.